Hello everyone. In this section, we'll learn about drone data capture. Once the planning and preparation are complete, it's time to perform the most exciting part of the drone surveying, conducting the actual survey flight. This is the stage where the drone collects the aerial images that will later be used to create maps, models, and measurements. Even though modern drones can automate much of the process, a professional survey flight still requires careful monitoring and proper operational practices. Let's walk through the key steps involved in conducting a professional drone survey flight. Step 1. Prepare the launch area. Before takeoff, select a safe and clear launch location. The area should be free from obstacles such as trees, buildings, power lines, or moving vehicles. It is also important to ensure that no people are standing too close to the drone during takeoff and landing, as the propellers can pose safety risk. A stable and open launch area helps ensure a smooth start to the mission. Step 2. Confirm mission settings. Before launching the drone, review the automated flight plan one more time. Check that the correct survey area is selected and verify key parameters such as flight altitude, image overlap settings, camera capture interval, flight path coverage. Confirming these settings helps prevent data gaps and ensures the mission captures the required images. Step 3. Establish GPS and system readiness. Allow the drone a few moments to connect to multiple GPS satellites and establish stable positioning. Most survey drones display the number of connected satellites and the strength of the GPS signal. A strong connection ensures that the drone can navigate accurately and record proper location data for each image. Also check that the controller connection and video feed are stable before starting the mission. Step 4. Launch the drone. Once everything is ready, initiate the automated mission or manually take off and start the programmed flight. During automated survey missions, the drone will follow the predefined grid flight path, capturing images at precise intervals. Even though the drone is flying automatically, the operator must continuously monitor the flight to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Step 5. Monitor the flight progress. Throughout the mission, keep an eye on important flight information such as battery level, drone position, flight progress, image capture status. If any issue occur, the operator should be prepared to pause or safely abort the mission if necessary. Maintaining visual awareness of the drone is also important to ensure safe operation. Step 6. Complete the mission and land safely. Once the drone finishes capturing all required images, it will either return to the launch point automatically or wait for manual landing. Always perform a smooth and controlled landing and ensure the landing area is clear. After landing, power down the drone and verify that all images and flight data have been successfully saved. Conducting a professional survey flight requires attention, preparation, and careful monitoring even when automation is involved. Feel free to pause the video and analyze the key summary of this lecture. A well executed flight ensures that the collected data is complete, accurate, and ready for processing. In the next lecture, we will explore how to capture high quality aerial images for drone mapping, which is essential for producing accurate maps and 3D models. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.